I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments on Steam, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or insufficient balances can cause issues. Step 2. Clear your browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can resolve many issues, including payment problems. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with payment processing. Temporarily disable them and try again. Step 4. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, switch to a different browser. Sometimes, compatibility issues can arise with specific browsers. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Steam support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any error messages you received. Remember, payment issues can be frustrating, but following these steps should help you resolve them quickly. Good luck!